Hello everyone, praise God. I'm Sitenda Ann. I'm coming from Rest Ministries. I've attended marriage retreat conference. What I've learned is how to handle marriages, how the parents raise their kids. This is the day too. You can come and attend. You will learn a lot because I've learned a lot. It's my first time to come here, but I've learned a lot. Trust me, when I get back home, my marriage will change.
My name's Edward. And we are the seniors. Day 2 of the marriage retreat. Today I've learned to be a good father and a good model to my family, to my wife, and to my children, and to live a purposeful life with the power that is ordained to me by God.
And I'm looking forward to day 3 because I am expecting to learn more about how I can be a good wife, not just as a wife, but as a mother to my children. But I'm also looking forward to knowing that I am a point of contact for my family where I come from, but also for the family where my husband comes from. So I'm looking forward to learning how we can work together to make sure that we impact the families that are around us. And we are also looking forward to learning that marriage is not just something that happens, but there's a purpose why God brings us together in marriage, and we need to find what that purpose is. So we encourage all those who are out there who have not yet come. We look forward to receiving you next year because there's a lot to learn. We need to pray for our children. We need to clear our backgrounds where we are coming from and pray for the generations that are coming. And that can only be done now by us so that we clear the foundations for the generations to come. God bless you.
My name is Norman Gitao. I've come all the way from Nairobi, Kenya to attend this particular retreat. Checking online, and I saw very good reviews on the past retreats, because currently myself and my wife, we're having issues. We're almost going through a divorce, but I believe after this session God will come into our lives, and I'll become a good husband and she'll become a good wife.
My name is Topista from my Place of Rest Ministries. Today is day 2 of my the marriage retreat of 2024. What I have learned today, especially in the afternoon, was a session by Apostle James Kawalia, where we were encouraged to be holy and to consecrate our lives. This is because God is about to do amazing things in our lives, and so we need to be ready, we need to prepare for that. So I encourage you also to consecrate yourself and be ready, for God is about to do mighty things, not just in your life, but also in the ministries in which you serve.